Have you ever found yourself trying to rotate an element in Flutter only to get lost in the code? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, today we are going to simplify that process and show you how to rotate something by 15 degrees in Flutter. I totally get it. Rotating elements can be confusing, especially when you're just trying to make your app look good. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge when working with Flutter. So, here's the question we're diving into today. One user asked, is there a simpler way to rotate a container in Flutter by 15 degrees? They shared some code from the Flutter documentation, but they're looking for a shortcut. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To understand the issue, let's take a look at the code. The user is currently using a transform widget with a matrix 4 to rotate their container. While this works, it can feel a bit cumbersome for a simple rotation. Let's see if we can find a more straightforward approach. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your Flutter development even smoother. To rotate a container by 15 degrees in Flutter, the user can utilize the transform widget. This widget allows for various transformations, including rotation. The user can simplify the rotation process by using the transform widget's rotate method directly. Instead of using a matrix, they can specify the angle in degrees. Here's a more concise way to rotate the container. The user can write the code as follows: transform.rotate with the angle set to 15 degrees. Additionally, the user can use the alignment property to center the rotation. This ensures that the rotation occurs around the center of the container. In summary, the user can achieve a 15-degree rotation in Flutter by using the transform.rotate widget, making the code cleaner and easier to understand. Fun fact, did you know that Flutter was created by Google to help developers build beautiful apps quickly? And rotating elements is just one of the many cool features it offers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using a container with a box decoration. They set the width and height based on the screen size and apply a transformation that includes a rotation of 28 degrees. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always look for built-in constructors like transform.rotate to simplify your code. It can save you time and make your code more readable. And there you have it. Rotating a container by 15 degrees in Flutter is now a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Flutter tips and tricks. Happy coding!